This is a video to show you how to insert your picture of your work that you have done in your notebook or on a piece of paper. So first what you're going to do is you're going to go up to the top of your Google slide. You're going to look for the word insert. You're going to click on that. And a drop-down menu will pop up. You're going to hover over image, which is the first option, and another drop-down menu will pop up. You are going to go all the way down to the bottom and you're going to select camera. And you want to make sure that you're allowing the Google Doc to use your camera. So you're going to select allow. And then you're going to see the camera pop up on your screen. What you're going to do is you're going to grab your notebook and you're going to make sure that the problem that you are solving the work for is in the view of the camera. And then you're going to make sure once you get that picture, you're going to click the camera button. And then you'll see, you can try it a couple times just to make sure that you have your work in the view. And then when you're done, you can look to the right and you can see the different options and which picture looks best. So this first one looks good. So I'm going to click on it and it's going to have a blue box around it. Then I'm going to select insert. And now, here is my work on my screen. I'm going to make sure that my work gets put into the blue box, and I can make it bigger by going to the bottom, those blue squares that are around it, and then make it to fit accordingly to make sure that it's visible to the teacher to grade. And that is how you insert your picture of your work for your math.